Here are a few questions for everyone to think about. Did you know that the most common bacteria found on our household floors is E. coli? And did you know that this bacteria can linger on your floors even after cleaning? Now, who do you think this is most dangerous for? Our children and pets. In a recent study, biolab tests analyzed 100 swabs taken from floors in UK homes and found that hallways and kitchens are rife with E. coli, which could potentially cause infections in humans. Now, most of us would just mop our floors, but the problem is we're actually redistributing the dirt around our home rather than removing it. So the question then becomes, how do we prevent this from hurting our children and pets? Well, research shows a reliable and lab-proven solution is eufy's brand new S1 Pro Robot Vacuum, and here's why. Manually, the most thorough way of eliminating germs would be to clean your floors with a fresh mop for every swipe, but that's simply not practical. So eufy have brought us their S1 Pro RoboVac, which is lab test approved to remove up to 99.99% of germs through its built-in ozone generator that feeds ozonated water to its always clean mop, which by the way refreshes itself in real time with 170 rotations per minute for all-round cleaning. Not to mention, it's also got auto-heated air drying, which dries the rolling mop after washing to prevent odor and mold. This really is the future of cleaning and a lifesaver for busy parents. It's no wonder the S1 Pro has been winning multiple awards and receiving some well-earned press. So, if you want a reliable, hassle-free supreme clean, then at the touch of a button, don't hesitate to check out the S1 Pro by eufy.